Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your PNC Bank account activity. Open the website pnc.com, then click Sign On. On the drop-down window, sign in with your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account list. Under Account List is an option for Virtual Wallet. Click on your virtual wallet. On this page, you will see an option for View All Activity. Click on View All Activity. That's how you view your PNC Bank account activity. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.